Hi there. So yeah, we just started our first podcast. So just bear with us. Hindi po to siya perfect. It's just very raw. Kasi parang impromptu lang to na parang naisipan lang namin. So why not, 'di ba? So yan. All right. How do you handle disappointment? Eto siya, kasi sa akin, for me, if I handle disappointments, depende siya kung anong klaseng disappointments eh. Pero sobrang ano ko kasi, sobrang maintindihin kong tao. Diyan lang talaga ako masyadong madi-disappoint. It happens a couple of times na.
I agree.
Kasi
You're very
oo.
understanding. Sobrang haba ng patience mo dahil even sa akin, ang haba ng patience mo sa akin.
Ano lang, kasi siguro ano eh, it's just like an experience for me kasi I always have that mentality. There will always be a reason why people have that kind of things. So parang ganun. That's why, kasi sabi nila, if you don't
Virgo,
like a
Virgo, being a Virgo.
kasi 'di ba sabi nila, if you don't like a person, maybe
Hmm.
ang kailangan mong tanungin, you just really need to get to know that person more
Yeah.
for you to really understand them. And if you know that person too well, kasi I always have that ano eh, just give me all of your imperfections. Diyan ko makikita if those imperfections that you have, I could be able to accept or not.
Just be
I am
genuine, no?
no. Oo, yan for me. I don't Ang compliments kasi lahat ng tao makakabigay yan sa'yo, eh. But those things na ano, yung parang negative, let's say para siyang criticism or an honest feedback, oh, yan something na ma-appreciate ko, especially if a person is not really hiding something from me. I will really have that kind of signal na it's really true. Yung parang wala siyang mask, for short. Especially 'pag bago mo naman nakikilalang tao, may mask naman kasi hindi mo pa kilala, eh. Hindi mo pa alam kung may comfortability ka ba sa
Yeah.
tao or
We
ganyan.
all have our walls.
Yes, that's really true. So, it's normal, people pleaser pa nga tayo kapag simula, 'di ba? So, for me, when I have on that kind of ano na, yung bottom line na kasi once is okay. Twice is like for me ano na siya, yung 'di ba may kasabihan tayo when a mistake once happens, you can be able to forgive. Pero twice kapag paulit same mistakes pa rin, it's already intentional or parang choice na siya.
Or
3
maybe,
times na,
yun talaga siya as a person.
oo, at wala siyang learnings dun.
Mm.
At pagka 3 times na, it's very ano na, red flag na for me or kung anong ilang times ba basta nandun ako sa bottom line, it's not acceptable already. Diyan na ako yung disappointments ko.
Mhm.
So, 'pag andiyan na ako, I always ano, direct the person directly talaga. Sinasabi ko talaga na ano, yung nasa sa kanila if how will they take it. Cause kapag nagiging gano'n kasi ako, there will be people who could not be able to handle the honest truth that I will going to give it to them. Others will take it as something they would like to work on, na na-appreciate nila kasi yeah, they know me very well and they understand I'm doing this for them or I'm saying those things just for them to be aware sa ginagawa kasi sometimes we need a stranger to top us up
Yeah.
for us to really get to know, "Hoy, medyo sobra ka na."
Yeah. Most of
Oo, very
us
importante yan.
being a person, 'di ba? It's really parang in nature na natin to see others' fault than our fault,
Hmm,
'di ba?
correct.
So we need someone to be our mirror to keep us accountable to, alam mo yun,
Yes.
parang sabihan sa atin, "Hey, you're being too much. It's not good for you."
Oo. Accountability.
Yeah.
Yan yung para sa'kin, eh. When I am on that point, diyan ko talaga malalaman if that person is really, something I could be able to keep on or let's just move on.
So you
Yes.
handle disappointments by letting things how it is?
Hindi siya na I don't let it things how it is. Kasi I will going to give the person the feedback.
Against.
But the reaction after the feedback or their behavior after the feedback can tell me more of a person.
I like that.
And kasi I don't judge them for whatever they do. Kasi it always have naman may mga reasons yan, eh. But if I say those things to a person and they take it differently, na I judge them as a person, but I didn't mention it to the other person or sa lahat ng tao, I directly said it to you. 'Pag dinirect ko yan sa'yo, meaning it's already alarming.
Yeah, I agree.
But if I didn't yet mention it to you, I'm still observing. Kasi I don't want to judge you right away. If you get what I mean, ganun. So, I do observe before I say something. But when I do something na sinasabi ko na, it's very intentional na ginawa ko na kasi alarming na siya. But sometimes, oo, that's why I keep things on my own first before ko siya i-spill kasi we will never know what will happen after. And it depends on the persons how they take it. And if they take it differently, like an attack of them personally, and instead of thinking on the other perspective na I'm saying this as a friend or as o kung ano man, sino man yung sinasabihan ko, o yung tinitrain ko ba, colleague ko ba, or friend ko ba, or sino ba sa family member ko, kung sino ba yung tao na yun, na sinasabihan ko, it is just for them to grow.
Actually, that's a very mature thing to do. Like, you don't attach to the like potential that you see in that person. So if you got disappointed, it's okay. You tell them, magiging honest ka sa kanila na, hey, ganito, ganyan, I'm disappointed, ganito, ganyan, in the most kind way. And then, dun ka na mag-react after they receive your feedback. So, anong gagawin nila?
Oo. And I'm not gonna be na minsan kasi I do, yung mga sinasabi ko hindi naman siya gano'n na soft talaga kapag minsan nagiging hurt na din yung sinasabi ko kapag nasa isip ko they don't understand what I'm trying to say kasi iba yung take nila, eh. And I have those responsibilities thing na parang nagiging harsh yung sinasabi ko just for them to understand, to make them understand yung thoughts ko. Pero up until if they don't really understand it, I'll take back. Yung parang I give distance, I take nasa kanila lang yan. If they would like to, may reflection sila, if may accountability sila, then be it. If they don't have that kind of accountability, then let's go from there. Ganun na lang. But I'm always open for any discussions after that. I just respect their boundary. Yung parang ganun na lang. Always
parang mas nagagets ko na nga why. I don't know, sorry guys, if I'm still mentioning or always mentioning about zodiac signs. But it somehow na mas nagme-make sense siya sa akin why Virgos are called therapist of the zodiac signs. Because how you expressed yourself earlier, paano ka nag-handle ng disappointment, you're like the therapist that keeps on being patient to your patient. Giving them chances until,
wala na. Oo.
nice.
Ganun siya. That's how I handle things. Ikaw ba? As the Aries.
Alam mo sa akin, Day, one thing about me is, I am confrontational talaga. And one thing is I'm impatient. Pero, if I like the person, if I value the worth of that person in my life, mapasensyosa ako. Ayun nga, yung parang nagiging taliwas na siya kasi dapat nagiging confrontational ako. Pero pag I really value that person, nagbibigay ako ng chance pero hindi nila alam na nagbibigay ako ng chance. Yung
ulit tayo.
like for example, you did something, okay, sa brother ko na lang. So, kunyari, I asked my brother, hey, Jack, ganyan, pwede mo ako tulungan sa ganito. Is he was busy playing sa computer games niya. And he turned me down. Magka-quiet ako. And the next time na, hindi ko sasabihin niya na, I'm sad, I'm disappointed kasi hindi mo ako tinulungan. Kim ko siya. Tapos, the next time na magutos ako, tapos hindi, or may pasuyo ako, or like may lambing ako na, bili mo naman ako ganyan, pag lumabas ka, tapos hindi niya ginawa, madadagdag na naman yun sa akin. So, parang I'm giving you chance, but you don't know that I'm giving you chances. It also applies sa dating scene ko. Ganon din ako. So, I know it's toxic, pero pag kunyari, if I really value that person, dun sa end point ko, sasabihin ko na sa'yo, pero limited na yung time mo to bumawi. Kasi parang nasa dulo na ako before ako nag-express. Nasa dulo na ako before ako. So, how I handle disappointments is, right now, since dami na natin na-experience, dahil 29 na ako, I'm turning 30 next year. So, parang dami ko ng disappointment. Like, sa parents pa lang, sa family, sa life in general, kahit sino mga tao, it's really unevitable for us na maging disappointment. Ma-disappoint. Kasi lalo na if you, pag ina-adore mo kasi yung mga tao sa paligid mo, if you put people on the pedestal, most likely, if you have expectations, diba? Most likely, you get
Correct.
disappointed. So, that's one thing din na nalaman ko ngayon. I take people as who they are, na kung sino na sila sa harap ko. I don't put them on a pedestal na, uy, baka ganito siya. Tapos nagkikreate ka na ng mga scenarios in your mind na ganito siguro siya as a person, ganyan-ganyan siya. Maybe this is how he thinks. Maybe this is she handles things. Parang ganon. Hindi na ako ganon. Parang this applies sa lahat. Sa friends ko, sa family, kahit sa work, kahit sa mga bosses ko. Like, kung ano sila ngayon, how I perceive them, yun na yun. Hindi na ako mag-overthink. I let things be. So, na-assess ko siya, and later on, na-analyze ko siya na parang, it's less sa akin na ma-disappoint because less ang expectations ko. So, when people did things to me, I just take it as it is. Like, okay, kasi yun yung best decision nila so far in this situation. Yun yung best thing na for them to do. And people are just people. We make mistakes.
Yeah.
So, I assess if I still want to continue na nandyan sila sa life ko or wala na. Ganun. That's how I handle disappointments.
Oo, and then kapag dun ka na sa pagsabot, ay for me, especially kapag yung nangyayari sa isip mo, breathe in, breathe out lang. In, breathe out, and then shift your focus. Yan kasi ginagawa ko focus na lang ako pag ganun kapag there's something it's outside of your
Control.
oo. So, breathe in, breathe out. Ako kasi kapag andun ako sa sobrang sabong, journaling, halatang ako kaya pagkakasaling. Dun, grabe yung takbo ko, dun ko ilalabas lahat ng mga stress levels and everything. Tapos pag okay na, then, okay, I'm good, nilabas ko na. Gets?
Yeah.
It's a matter of control. Yeah, hindi ako ganyan before. Siyempre, yung mga taong nakilala natin before, like years before, hey,
Iba tayo.
yun.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a new version. We level up every single time, every single year. But hindi ka nag-level up.
That's alarming.
Yes. Yes.
I'm trying. You're one of the people in my life right now that's encouraging me or influencing me to breathe in, breathe out. Wag mo nang pangunahan yung mga bagay-bagay. Things will soon unravel. Wag pangunahan na emosyon. Yeah, I'm trying. And I'm just so grateful that I have you guys in my life. Kasi, ewan ko ba, dahil sobrang emotional ko talagang tao. Like, peak talaga na emotions ko. And even you guys can see me right now talking. Diba ang exage? How I talk.
Yun ka lang talaga. That's just the authentic,
Yeah.
Kasi ako may mga toxic traits din naman and then we were still work in progress. Wala namang perfect. Wala namang, walang flaws and anything. Ano lang, it's just na kaya gusto ko yung self-awareness Kasi kapag aware ka sa mga ka-toxic mo,
Yeah.
behaviors mo na bad,
You weaknesses mo.
oo, kung alam mo yan, you have a room na to grow, to improve, how to handle it more effectively. Minsan kasi, pag na-outburst din tayo yung emotions natin, hindi naman siya maiiwasan. Even
Yeah.
myself, I do have that kind of kaya, minsan sinasabi ko sa iba kasi it happens to me. Ganun siya.
Side perspectives.
Oh, at iba din yung aftermath. That's why, but ako talaga, I do have the accountability when I do overboard na mga ganun na, I always say sorry, I always approach. I don't have a fear to tell the person na, hey, I know these things happened and I really get into this kind of, na hindi siya okay, I always approach them by the time that I realize it straight away.
That's nice. I like it.
Oo.
Kaya alam ko guys,
So
sa mga
mm.
tao din na katulad ko, like, very exhausted with everything, surround yourself with people who knows how to regulate their feelings. Say, they will help you immensely. Trust me. Kasi I've been there and still there trying to really hold off myself.
Siguro ano lang, it's just really true na, ako kasi more into logical. Tapos ikaw sa emotions, gano'n. So, it's just like to keep us grounded. And
Yeah.
sometimes, ikaw, you reminded me to be in touch with my emotions sometimes. If
Kasi
it's not
minsan, no,
okay.
minsan you're too logical that you forgot to feel things. Oo, minsan ganun
Yes.
ka. Ay, di mo nararamdaman 'to? Minsan magalit ka naman, minsan ma-sad ka naman. Kasi minsan you're too logical and then you forgot na lang because you're too logical and you're analyzing paano nag-come up ng ganyang actions yung tao. Sobrang patient mo that you forgot to draw your walls as well.
This, true. Kaya kasi ako when things happened, I always seek sa problem before dealing with emotions. Kasi sa'kin, kapag i-deal natin yung emotions first, mas lalala. Sa to, yun yung mind ko. But for you, since try to deal first the emotions before you answer. Kasi emotion, kailangan kalma tayo before natin yung pag-usapan. Kasi if hindi mo ako pinakalma, hindi mo ako makakausap.
Yeah.
Di ba parang ganon? So it's loves inversely proportional sa atin. And then that sometimes that gives me another perspective na I need to know who is the person I'm talking to. Is there word more in the emotional? So I need to adjust. I need to adjust myself now. So I need to touch on with the emotions first before dealing with the logical reasoning or kung ano ba yung mga solution basis. Eh, sometimes alam mo, minsan good thing din if may mga taong gano'n na mag-a-adjust din for you logically. And I'm trying to understand you like logical pala siya dapat ano, I'll deal with this to understand the thoughts but hindi kasi lahat din gano'n, eh. So that's why, okay, I just make it because I'm the one who understands. So I'll just flick it and do into things to do the emotional. So, ganyan. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo na, wag mong pangaraping maging Virgo, dahil hari minsan nobody understands you and then you just keep on adjusting. But it's okay. It's maybe that's just how our nature is to say.
We need people like you as well. Alam mo, Nika, I like what you said na it's better to converse with people if you know who you're conversing with so that you can actually apply that with professional thing or in career in general. Na communication is smoother when you know who you're talking to. So you
Correct.
can, 'di ba? Alam mo at some point, even sa personal life ko, medyo emotional ako. Pero pagdating sa mga client, naha-handle ko siya in a professional way na, paano ba 'tong client na 'to? Paano ba siya magpe-perceive ng opinion? Kasi may mga client na they're open for suggestions, ganyan. May mga client naman na they don't.
Hindi.
Parang kapag
Yeah.
suggestion yung approach mo, hindi nila bet yon. They like it when they're experiencing on their own, tapos magiging solution na siya.
Correct.
Solution.
Oo. Kaya gano'n siya, yung parang if kilala mo sinong kausap mo, that's why we ask questions to get to know the person. Hindi naman kailangan para i-scan mo siya, just a little bit na understanding. And when you understand the person more, there will be lesser for you to really be upset kasi you understand how they're wired, ano yung perspective nila, and ano yung difference sa perspective mo at sa perspective din ng other person. And if you are those people who understand, then you just keep your calm. Ano lang, just give patience, ganyan. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao andun sa point na understanding mo. But they will going to be on that stage of their life. Kung nasan ba sila whenever it happens. Ganun lang. Siguro advance ka lang or yung iba advance, hindi pa ganun. Ganun lang. Ganun lang. Pero wala na iba.
Sawa ako dun so siguro advance ka lang kasi as an Aries, lagi akong advance girl. Yung tipong, hindi pa nga, nagawa ko na or hindi naman talaga yun, iisipin pa naman tao na isip ko na.
Yung parang ganun. So,
It's really important to pause, no?
oo, pause ka talaga. Step backs, stay on your lane, and then focus on yourself. Ganun lang always para ano ba, di mo malose yung self mo on the process. So, yeah. Sobrang lalim na ng pag-usapan natin.
I like it. I like it. Okay, let's jump to another question.
Yes.
Wala talaga ako in-expect na matino sa questions ko, pero eto na yun.
Pero nakikita mo, iba-iba dynamic din ng natin.
True.
Oo.
Oh, dating life journey.
Ano yung question niya?
What's your journey? It's like maybe sharing. Kasi share your dating life journey. Ganon.
Ano ba yan? Present? Past?
Like,
Tense? Ano ba yun?
siguro like say na lang, one thing that you've learned about your dating life journey na lang. Since we both in that chapter na same year nakipaghiwalay.
Oo.
Same na coming from a very long-term relationship. Na yung tipong akala mo siya na. First boyfriend mo ba siya, Bay?
Hindi.
Okay.
Ano?
Pero that's a very long term. Yun yung first serious one mo.
Yes. Yes. Kasi I always have that may 3-month rule. Hindi. Iba yung 3 months mo. Kapag I do in a relationship talaga, good thing is nagpas ka na 3 months. Yes.
So, doon mo siya win-away. Pero pag mga 1 week ka pala, ay, ganon. Doon ka mas magsiseryoso?
We have this rule kasi before, when I was still, syempre, young tayo, we need to protect ourselves in the months and be wiser kasi we are women. If we
Daming pwedeng mawala, di ba?
Yes, if we choose the wrong person, your life will be, ang daming pwedeng mawala sa atin, di ba? And then that's pregnancy and everything like that, and so on and so forth. I became wiser. Ganun siya. I became wiser when I was still young. Kasi it's because of my mom who always keeps reminding me, ganyan, kasi kapag papariwara ka, yung nangyayari, ganyan, and so on and so forth. So siya talaga, yung sa mind ko na, hey, all the time, every year, twice in a year.
Ang ganda.
Nagpaparemind niya sa akin na, you need to protect yourself, you need to be wiser, you need to be like that. Kasi kung ayaw mo yung mangyari na ganito, ganyan. Tingnan mo ganyan, nangyari, ganyan, and so on and so forth. It's just like a reminder. Reminder lang naman. So, yeah, and because of that,
swerte mo dahil you have someone to remind you and that someone is as special as your mom.
Yes, and I'm always grateful for that as well. Ano siya kaya lang sa akin, I always, may someone to remind you. Like, even if at your family or stranger, just to keep you be reminded. Importante yan siya kasi minsan mawawala tayo sa pasa So, kaya sa mga relationships ko, ilan na ba meron ako?
Nagbilang? Gaya nagbilang?
Alam, hindi kasi ako masyadong hindi kasi ako.
Okay.
Ayaw nakapayod, wala. Kasi ayoko ng bilangan. Sa labas ang parang going to file. Magpas siya ng 3 months. Kasi I have, it is very strict. Kasi, guys, always have that urge, di ba? Alam naman natin yan. So, sa akin, 3 months na, especially sa mga early 20s pa ako, iba na kasi ngayon, di ba? We are 30 na, or going to 30 na. So, we have our career na, ganyan. Before, we haven't had that career pa, di ba? So, sa 3 months, okay. Especially, college ako nun. And then, yung next naman is going into after college, sabi ko, how's boyfriend ako? Ay, mga boyfriend ko. Ayaw, and no kiss talaga. Come on, you want it. Come on and get it. Come on, I want it. All about me, you and what? No one